Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting. Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
We buy two.
It's so heavy.
Is it heavy? I was gonna film it.
9 for 4.
79 for 4.
Yeah.
And this is 89 for 4.
Yeah.
They even have 59 for 4.
Where?
There.
But that is so small.
Naman tayo madami kumain. So which one do you want to have?
Just for the two of us naman eh.
So,
That's okay?
Yes, I think okay na po yun. So we just decided to get this.
Hi, don't mind my room. I know it's a mess. I will clean it. But back to the topic. So the funny thing here is you saw us took so long to decide which one we want to take, which one is cheaper and better, but then we ended up not taking it because we found a better one which has like an aesthetic color, beige cream type of color. But
unfortunately,
we also didn't get to get that one because the cashier lady told us that in order to buy it, we need the whole set, which we didn't know, obviously. Now, we are not about to go back the whole IKEA just to get the whole set, so. But anyways, back to the video.
Color. It's very neutral. I'm gonna put that. Have to put this back. This is so soft. I like these. I don't know about it. I'm into these. I already have pink ones in my room, but yeah. Oh, ang ganda ng gray.
Where?
Here. Even the brown ones, the light brown. Ganda ng gray. Oh my. This aesthetic, oh gosh. This is so nice. Smile me, smile. Ang cute. Sarap ng tulog nila.
Parang si Sky.
Kaya nga pa. Oh, ang bongga nito. May ilaw. I like that. Siyempre, gusto nilang
Yun yung ano.
Oh my, man. Ang sarap. To hug it.
We will feel comfortable.
Oh, ito pink version nila. Ito yung parang cream version. I like this. Oh. Kasi magkano? 129. Ay, hindi pala maganda. Sige, alis tayo. Alis tayo na. Pero for real, ang soft niya. Okay, nandito kami sa unang section.
Mga unan, baby, unan.
Yeah.
149?
I know, right?
No thanks.
Ang cute. Cute naman. Ito yung magandang banyo, man. Ganda na pagkagawin. Emerald
I like
green.
the ano mo.
The? Oh, yung bongga. I like that picture there. Super nice.
I like the red.
Yes.
I like the color.
Ang ganda.
Oh, so beautiful.
Okay, alam namin yung price nito, pero I wanna try. Yay!
How much?
99.99, so basically 100. Okay, malapit na po tayo sa exit. I think I can hear it. Sige, mami. That's IKEA. Oops, another one. I've already actually put one down. I mean, they have another one there.
What happened?
I just had to put it down.
Oh, it was the middle finger?
It was. Nice flower shop. Is that for real or like plastic flowers? Like, I don't plastic flowers like that. Yun. Ooh, scented candles. Nandito na pala sa parang plant section. So, makikita na natin yung cashier. I did it. All good. So I'm only at 3% and ang tagal pa ni Mami sa toilet. Hi guys, so I have no better lighting for y'all. I know the lighting is really bad here, but I mean, like, if I do like this, I look like the light's gonna take me. So I'm just gonna try to lean forward instead. But haul. Things. Okay, so my baby dog, my 4 babies are right here with me, so you might hear me yelling their names also because they are very naughty. They're all boys, so y'all know it. Okay, so here is the whole bag. You can't even see me. It's pretty big, but has just a little bit, not that much really, on the inside. I'm gonna try to show you one by one, as clear as I can. So first things first, this is not from IKEA, but it's from the mall there, and it's from 𝚘𝚘. Should I show you what's inside of it? No, I shouldn't, because it's girl stuff, you know. So here we have, actually we bought 2 of this. This is a kind of like a water bottle, but not a water bottle. Does that make sense? It's like a pichela. You know what, the best way for you to understand is to see it. And it is this. We're planning to put lemon and then water in these because we really want to be healthy, you know? New year, new us. So wait, let me just put it back in the box so that I won't accidentally break it. Oh, and my mom, she saw this in the sales section and ta-da! Well, my mom is such a designer. I think it's because nahawa siya ng dad ko na rin. Because my dad is a designer, so they kind of like jump off each other's ideas and all that. Oh, and this one, y'all saw it. I got this. It's for our house, actually. I don't know. I feel like I'm such a mom. All the things I've been wanting are like home appliances and home things like like scented candles and stuff like that. I don't know. Maybe that's just my mature side of my mature side of me.
Bruh.
My mature side of me. This really smells so good. I can't smell it right now because it's closed, it's sealed, but we'll open it later. Yeah. Why am I even staring at this? This is a Ziploc that has two sizes. One is big, one is small. That's literally the most accurate I could explain it, because I don't want to speak all numbers, okay? I'm not in the mood today for that. And we also have this. And my mom said pamalit daw sa cover ng table namin. Kind of looks like it, but this is like darker. And the one that we have right now is like cream beige neutral one. That's that. Oh, and we also may wrap this. This is glass. Yep, it's this. Wala lang, baso lang siya. Because we don't have basos here in our house. I mean, we only use cups because we don't want to wash dishes and all that as much as possible, you know? So if we can make things disposable as much as possible, we would, literally. So yeah, we got two of that. Oh, and last but not the least, so actually it is the least one. It is... Anong tawag dito? Patungan. Yun ang alam ko. Patungan for the hot pots or lutuan, something like that. I'm pretty sure y'all know that since we're always cooking at home, we really need it. That is it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I need to put these back because I just made a mess right now. And if you notice me looking here and not here, which is where the camera is, that's because I'm looking at the screen of my phone. I'm using my phone to record, so yeah. I don't know what else to say, so I guess that I should just say goodbye. Good night. Yeah, because it's 8:21 p.m. now. So bye, good night. Hope you all enjoyed this video. And it's been literally so long since I last made a video. Oops. This is good. This is fun. Sorry, my baby. My fur baby wants to. Love. You want love? You want love? Aww. Goodbye, y'all. Good night. Hope y'all are having a great day or night or a great week in general. Bye-bye.